What tokens are you observing today? So I've been looking at several tokens for the last 2 to 3 days, and I've missed some movement because I can't be active 24/7, but there's still some movement that I'm actively monitoring. And the first one is the bearish correction on cost. So cost broke below the 0.001 level here. Okay, he broke this level. So this is an indication the price wants to go down. It stopped here and it's corrected. So I'm waiting for a continuation to short. I actually shorted cost at around 0.0011 at higher levels, but I quickly closed my short before it could get to the next level of sellers, and I'm looking to get into another short. So once I start seeing, you can see we still have a higher high and a higher low here. Once I start seeing lower highs and lower lows, that will be the beginning of the continuation and open short. So once I'm shorting, I'll still be targeting this region 0.000821 because this is where the start of the impulsive move is, and I know it will get there. The next token is River. River has made a bullish indication ever since it broke the 15.65 region, telling me it wants to go above this level. I think I missed a little correction here, but I also know that above this level price it wants to go to 19.57, but that was several days ago. Okay, so aggressive longers could have longed once it crossed this level, but I think I missed it. I think I found it around here. So I'll be waiting for a correction to long the token. The next one is Dego. Dego has a bullish correction, or I may have even missed the continuation. So last time I checked, it was around here. So this is a bullish indication, and I was waiting for correction to end and the continuation to start. So let me see. I think I missed the continuation. This would have been a good place to long, but I'll have to keep watching again for any dips or any indications because I may have missed this move. But I'm very sure price will go up to reclaim this week here. The next token I'll be looking at with a move is UAI. Okay, UAI has a bearish indication after breaking this level, the 0.2166 level. Although it's a small indication, but we have been on a steady downtrend, so I'll be waiting for a correction. Aggressive shorters can short from here all the way down to 0.162 because we already know that once price falls below this level, it will react to 0.162 level. The next token I'm looking at is TRIA. So TRIA is on a bullish correction. Okay, once it broke above 0.0293, it was a bullish indication, so price told us where it wants to go. Stopped around 0.0391 and it's correcting. So long as price doesn't correct below 0.02846, we still know that we are on a bullish trend. So once price starts making higher highs and higher lows on the 5-minute or 15-minute time frame, I will set up my longs. So the next one is area. Area short is almost ready if you ask me. Area short is almost ready. It looks like the bearish correction is ending. Once price broke below 0.12631, it was an indication that price wants to go lower. So we can see this big green candle here was a correction, and can see the continuation here. So okay, so this was our lower high. This was our lower high. I think I missed the continuation. I can also still short here because it's just below where price broke the structure. So I'll be getting ready for a short. So let me see if short will make sense here. Let's go back to our 15-minute time frame. So if I'm shorting Right now, I'll be setting my stop loss just below this, just above this previous high, and I'll be targeting. Actually, I'll be targeting down here. But let's see. Just need more confirmation. And the next one is flow. Okay, APR. I'm already longing APR already because after the bullish correction, I could see my higher highs, so I already longed it from this point. So it may still be early to long, but I'm already longing it, and I'm targeting 0.119 region. So for flow still on a bearish move. So we had a bearish correction. Price crossed below 0.056 level and is correcting. So I'm waiting for a continuation. Once I start seeing lower highs, we still have equal highs. And once I start seeing lower highs and lower lows, I'll be getting ready for my shot. So lab has a bullish indication. Okay, once lab broke above 0.15, once price broke above 0.15249 level, that was a bullish indication for lab, and you can see our wick here rejected, and I'm expecting it to still fail this week. So I'm waiting for a correction and the continuation to long. Okay, the next one is CYS. We are still on a bullish correction on CYS. Once price broke above 0.4645 level, you can see that was a bullish indication that price wants to go higher. You can see price even went as high as 0.5352. This is a week and started correcting. So I'll be waiting for a continuation. Once I start seeing my higher highs and higher lows on the 15-minute time frame, I'll open a long so long as it's still above this level where it broke the structure. And I know that it will want to refill this week. So I'll be setting my long once I see the continuation. The next one is XXT. SXT, I actually had a long on XXT, but I closed before getting to my target. XXT has been on a steady decline, so very short corrections and quick continuation. So you can see steadily has been going down, and it is going down to 0.0175 level. So I think this was a bearish indication. This was a little correction, and it's continuing. So if you can take the risk, you can short XXT right now, but we have almost gone more than halfway of the move, so I'll just be watching it to see what happens. Okay, for home we have a bearish indication because price has broken below the 0.022413 level, and we can see a correction here. So correction to the upside. Once I start seeing my lower highs and lower lows, I'll open my short on home. For BTC, I was waiting for a bearish indication once price broke below this level, but so far no bearish indication. So I'll be waiting for price to either break the previous high to long or break the low around 0.6995 to short. So I'm still in my no trade zone here on BTC. I just wanted to let you guys know. So the next one is ACX. Many people have been waiting for an ACX short, and we have a bearish indication on ACX once it broke 0.05663 level. I'm waiting for, we are on a correction actually, we are on a bearish correction, so I'm waiting for a continuation. Once I start seeing my lower highs and lower lows on the 15-minute time frame, I'll open my short and to switch short because we'll be targeting the next level at 0.033. The next one is, I already missed the lean shot. I went to bed around here. I was just waiting for it to break below this period, but I missed it. So we'll be seeing if there'll be a reversal. But for now, I've missed the move on lean. I think I missed kites. I missed kites. Where's kites? Okay, so There are two things happening on kite. We have a double bottom, or you can say a triple bottom. So this signal that we want to go higher. Okay, price hasn't broken below this place, but still, this is still a bearish indication. Once price broke below this level 0.25858 level, it's a bearish indication, and we're on a bearish correction and waiting for a continuation. But once price breaks above this level 0.25882, I'll be looking for a low because of this double top, and also because it has broken the previous high. So that's it for now. If you have any tokens you're looking at outside of this, let me know. If you have any observations or suggestions, I would love to hear it. So these are the tokens I'm looking at, and probably before tomorrow, one of these tokens will make a move that I'll have to make an entry. So let's see how it goes. So have a nice day, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.